Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering raw numbers. Total runs your team scored and total overs you faced, and runs conceded with overs bold. Once you have that, enter each match as runs scored divided by overs faced and runs conceded divided by overs bold. Make sure to convert fractional balls to decimal overs correctly, because 3 balls is 0. 5 overs in this system. Begin calculating each match's run rate now, so you can sum totals for the next step. Once you've logged each match, aggregate totals. Add runs scored and overs faced across all matches, and do the same for runs conceded and overs bold. Then compute your team run rate by dividing total runs scored by total overs faced, and compute opponents' run rate similarly. Keep consistent units. Overs must be in decimal form. Make sure to use the same level of precision for both rates, because small rounding differences can change net run rate in tight tables. You finish by subtracting opponents' aggregate run rate from your team's aggregate run rate to get net run rate. For example, NRR equals 5, 25 minus 4, 10 equals plus 1, 15. Once done, round consistently, 2 decimal places is standard, and label positive or negative. Make sure to apply Duckworth-Lewis or match-specific adjustments when overs are shortened. Include only actual overs bold in those cases. If the NRR looks wrong, recheck overs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.